Hi, it's me, Liam, again with my dad.
Hi.
And right now we're weighing the Dustin Rival Pokemon card pack to see if the heaviest pack you have actually has a good card inside. So let's start.
All right, so the first pack, 19 grams. Next pack, 23 grams. So the one with Mewtwo is heavier. The last pack, 22 grams. So this Mewtwo's are heaviest, so we're gonna open them up in this order and we'll see which one has the best cards and if the weight made a difference.
And we're trying to get the Team Rocket Mewtwo EX that's worth $537.
Okay, let's hope.
Full art.
First pack, 19 grams.
Oops, so we got a Dipplin, an Electrike, a Turtle, Hussain's Powerweight, Team Rocket's Golbat, Mudslug, Steven Samurai, Full Art Rotom.
Alrighty.
Misty's Gyarados, and a basic Psychic Energy. That's pack number 1.
Okay, so we'll set that one right here.
Now we're gonna open the Garchomp.
Okay, this one was 22 grams.
We got Squawkabilly, Crescenta's Rosalia, Team Rocket's Nidoran, Team Rocket's Fluffy, Marini's Scrafty, Team Rocket's Great Ball, Team Rocket's Orbeetle, Team Rocket's Abort, Squawkabilly, and Team Rocket's Sneasel. That's pack number 2. Now we got the last pack, the heavy pack, the Mewtwo, and I'm cutting it right now while my dad checks the app collector. Also a great app, by the way. I recommend you guys to try it. And when I get the pack out, we'll see. Team Rocket's Larvitar, Team Rocket's Blipbug, such a Dodo, Marine's Purloin, Baskerville, Team Rocket's Watchtower, Metacham, Team Rocket's Typhlosion, Shaman Full Art, Corby's, and a basic Electric Energy. Well, we got 2 packs of good cards.
And that one, right now, current price is $12.85. So that is your most valuable pack that you opened up was the heavier one. But the lightest one had the second most valuable card.
So I guess that proves you wrong.
So, not necessarily.
Like and subscribe.